Number 0, box to number 9. Number 9. Number 9. Box to number 24. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 27. Out of bounds po tayo. Number 2, pass to number 73. Number 73, pass to number 15. Number 15, 15! Wala! Rebound by number 27. Number 27, pass to number 5. Wala! Nakuha niya. Number 44, pass to number 15. Number 15, 15, 15. Sumalak siya. Basket by number 15. Number 24, 24 nagkabal ng bola. Number 24, pass to number 27. Substitution po tayo. First personal foul, 13 foul. Number 0, pass to number 9. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 0. 5 seconds to shoot. Wala. Foul. Number 27. First personal foul, 1 for penalty. Number 13, pass to number 15. Number 15, 15. Wala. 50 seconds shoot. Number 15. Shoot. Number 2. 10 seconds shoot. Basket by number 6. Number 9. Number 9. Number 9, nagdadala ng bola. Pass to number 24, 50 seconds shoot. Wala. Rebound by number 2. Pass to number 73. Number 73. Basket yan by number 73. Number 9. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Pass to number 0. Tumira ng dress. Wala. Rebound by number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 44. Number 44, pass to number 15. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 15. Pinasay number 24. Number 24. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Basket by number 9. Bola po ng balagpas. Number 17. Pass to number 44. Pass to number 17. Number 17, pass to number 15. Number 17. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 2. Basket yan. By number 2. Number 11. 11. 11. Pass number 5. Number 5. Pass number 16. Number 16. Basket by number 16. Number 2. Pass to number 73. Number 73. Pass number 44 to Mira. 3 points by number 44. Number 11. 11. Number 11. Pass to number 16. 50 seconds to shoot. Number 0. Pass to number 9. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 16. Number 1 and number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 6. Number 6 to Mira. Wala. Rebound by number 15. Basket yan by number 15. Number 16 pass to number 9. Pass to number 11. 11 pass to number 5. Number 5. Pass to number 11. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 0. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 9. Foul by number 2. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Number 44. Pass to number 73. Number 73. Pass to number 50. Number 50. 50. Bumaba, pinasa. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 2. Foul by number 11. Penalty mo tayo. Penalty. Wala. Number 11. Pass to number 5. Number 11. 11. Pass to number 0. Number 0. 15 seconds to shoot tumira. Wala. Rebound. Out of bounds tayo. Number 73. Number 73. 73. Number 73. Pass to number 44. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 15. Number 15. 15. Pass to number 16. Nakuha na number 16. Pass to number 24. Number 24. 24. Tinira. Easy to one by number 24. Number 73. Number 73. 73. Pass to number 6, 15 seconds to shoot. Tinira. Wala na yung number 44. Tinira ulit. Wala. Nakuha na number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Grabe din violation.
Mahalang pa ng data. Tapos na? 500 MB lang.
Oras natin, 1 minute and 20 seconds. Number 11. Pass to number 74. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by number 2. Number 2 pass to number 73. Number 73. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by number 15. Foul. By number 24.
Laro! Mahalang pa. Hindi mo kasi pwede stop ito. Hindi mo na naiuwi. Try mo dyan. At least may light pa.
Number 11. 11. 11. Number 11. Pass to number 5. Received by number 44. Number 44. Pass to number 70. Pass to number 44. Number 11. Live also. Last 14 seconds. Number 11. Pass to number 24. Tinira. Wala. Last 35 seconds. Number 11. 15 seconds to shoot. Penalty po tayo. Oras natin, last 30 seconds. Third personal foul. Basket sa ating tutor. Number 73. 73. Last 25 seconds. Foul. By number 16. Pushing foul. Last 22 seconds.
Kaya na!
Penalty po tayo.
Dito ba? Kunin mo nga! Naigrap ko muna sa kita!
Number 16. First personal foul. Wala.
Dito lang kayo! Pabilang pa.
Basket by number 15. Number 11. Last 20 seconds. Number 11. 11. Last 15 seconds. Issued by number 73. Foul by number. Second personal foul. Number 11. Basket. Wala. Rebound by number 24. Last 10 seconds. Number 11. Basket. Last 5 seconds. Out of bounds. End of the first quarter. Pass to number 11. Number 11, pass to number 5. Number 5, pass to number 24. Pass to number 11. Tumira ng 3 points by number 11. Number 15. 15 nagkadala ng bola. Number 15, pass to number 26. Basket yan by number 26. Number 11 nagkadala ng bola. Pass to number 24. Wala. Rebound by number 6. Number 6, pass to number 15. Number 15. Tinira. Easy 2 points by number 15. Number 24, pass to number 11. Number 11. Nagdadala ng bola. Number 11. Offensive foul. Second personal foul, first team foul by number 11. Number 15 nagdadala ng bola. Number 15 15 seconds shoot. Number 6 pass to number 15. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by number 5. Number 5 pass to number 11. Number 26. Number 26. Number 26. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by number 24. Number 24. Number 24. Tinira. Basket yan by number 24. Number 15, pass to number 6. Number 6, pass to number 15. Number 15 seconds to shoot. Number 15, Tinira. Easy 2 points yan by number 15. Number 24, pass to number 11. Number 11, pass to number 0. Number 0, pass to number 11. 15 seconds to shoot. Steal by number 15. Number 15, pass to number 26. Out of bounds.
Si Pepe, hindi na sumunod ah.
Number 24, pass to number 9. Number 9, nagdadala ng bola, pass to number 11. Number 11, pass to number 27, 15 seconds to shoot. Number 27, wala. Rebound by number 22, pass to number 2. Wait lang po, malambot yung bola.
May butas pa ata.
Back to the ball game po tayo. Number 24, pass to number 11. Number 11. 11, may kalang yung bola, pass to number 24. 24, wala. Rebound na number 73. Second po tayo.
Kailan o yan?
Number 9, pass number 16, Pinira. Wala. Number 20, number 20. Wala ni Pinasa akin, number 33, number 33. Nakuha dito, number 33. Bigay sa akin yung shoot, number 33. Pass to number 2, number 2. 10 seconds to shoot, number 6. Pass to number 22. Grabe ng violation po tayo. Number 27, pass to number 11. 11 nagdadala ng bola. Number 11. 11. Pass 15 seconds shoot. Pass number 16. Number 16. Basket yan by number 16. Number 73. 73. Number 15 seconds to shoot. Number 6. Number 6. Pass number 73. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass number 26, number 26, stayed by number 9, pass number 24, pass number 9, Tinira, basket. Number 73,
Balik na rin na lang yung damit kaya Ali.
73, 73, 15 seconds to shoot, number 73, number 26, basket by number 26,
Miss na kasi yung
number 11, 11, nagdadala ng bola. Number 11. 11, 15 seconds shoot. Wala. Rebound by number 24. Number 24. Bumomba. Pinasa number 11, 10 seconds to shoot. Pass number 24. Wala. Rebound by number 9. Basket. Wake up po. Back to the ball game po tayo. Number 73, pass to number 15. Number 15, pass number 73. Number 73, pass to number 2. Steve by number 27, pass to number 3. Pass to number 27. Number 27, umiikot. Nakuha mo na. Shooting foul yan by number 27. Wait na daw po.
O, baliktad na lang. May puti naman yung atin eh.
Captain ball daw po. Captain ball na Balagbag at
Vlog!
4 ballers.
Vlog! Vlog! Sila na lang din naman kompleto yung kasi nag-white na lang QB. Eh, naman ako sa Pepe. Okay na, bala kayo.
Number 27. Wala. Number 2, pass to number 3. Number 73. Number 73. 73, pass to number 15. Number 15. Grabe ni violation po tayo. Number 3, pass to number 11. 11 nagdadala ng bola. Pass to number 9. Number 9. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 27. Pass to number 3. Wala. Rebound by number. Bola ng balagpak.
Sabi kasi balik ka rin eh.
03. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Pass to number 03. 03. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 2. 3. Mira. By number 2. Number 3. Number 3. Number 3. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 9. Pinasa kay number 11. Tumira. Wala. Bola na balagpak. Number 22. Pass to number 17. Number 17. 17. Wow. By number 3.
Hindi pa nakaredy lang.
Wala. First personal foul, second team foul by number 3. Basket.
Pangaram na.
Number 9. Number 9. Number 9, pass to number 11, 15 seconds to shoot. Number 11, pass to number 3, tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 27, tinira. Wala. Rebound by number 73. Number 7. Wow. By number 11. Holding foul. Substitution po tayo. Third personal foul, 13 foul. Number 2, pass to number 44, tumira. Wala. Rebound by number 15. Wala. Number 16, pass to number 27. Number 27. 27. Basket down by number 27. Number 73. 73. Number 73, 15 seconds to shoot. Number 44, pass to number 73. Tumira ng 10. Wala. Rebound by number 27. Pass to number 3, pass to number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 0. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 27. Number 15. Number 15. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 73. Number 73. Wala. Rebound by number 0. Last 2 minutes. Number 9. 15 seconds to shoot. Timeout. Balagba. Back to the ball game. Score natin, 39-37. Lamang dalawa ang balagba.
Sundot niya ang Bilus! Sundot niya ang Bilus! Sundot niya! Tabat niya sa start.
Bola po ng 4 ballers.
Abayin mo!
Bola po ng 4 ballers. Out of bounds po ang balagba. 40 seconds to shoot. Tuimira. Wala. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Number 9, pass to number 3. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 3. Number 3. Number 3. 5 seconds to shoot. Foul by number 26. First personal foul, second team foul. shoot. Pass to number 3, steal by number 3. Foul. 44. Holding foul.
Technical. Mura ka.
Number 44, lining for graduation.
Kung magmumura, mali pa din naman.
Sa quinto shot. Number 44, lining for graduation. Kaya po. Basket by number 0. 13 foul. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 3, pass to number 9. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 16, pass to number 9.
Rep excuse.
0. Final 0.
Hindi namin nakita.
Lamang na po ang $4. Last 1 minute na po ang natitirang oras. Number 15. 15. 15. Pass number 26 to Mira. Wala. Rebound.
That's touch, oh.
Forty seconds shoot. Bola na. Balagbag. 13 seconds shoot. Number 6. Pass number 2. Steal by number 27. 27. Pass number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 0. 0. Pass to number 27. 10 seconds to shoot. Wala. Rebound by number 9. Number 9. Tumira. Foul. Offensive foul.
Parang kasi po.
Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Number 15. Number 15. 15 seconds na lang po natitirang oras. Last 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds. Basket.
Bola, bola.
Ready?
24. Pass to number 11. 11. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 26. Wala. Rebound by number 6. Basket. Wait lang po.
Finger.
Ang ano naman itong mga live stream na to.
Ayaw. Scam.
Good na lang po. Good. Number 11. 11 pass to number 0. Pass to number 11. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 24. Basket. Number 6. Pass to number 15. Number 15. 15. 15. Number 15. Pass to number si 26. Pass number 6. 15 seconds to shoot. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 26. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by number 16. Number 16. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Pass to number 11. Number 11. 11 pass to number 0. Number 0 tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 15. Number 15. 15. 15. Number 15. Umingot. Pinasa kay number 26. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 6. Foul. Number 6. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 5. Pass to number 11. Yung bola daw po. Pakigilid. Ian, yung bola mo, gilid mo daw. Number 11, 15 seconds to shoot. Pass it, nakuha ni number 2. Number 2, 3-point number. 0. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakuha ni number 24. Sabi tawa. Nakuha ni number 0. Umilang. Wala. Nakuha ni number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 26. Bakit yan? Number 11. 11 nagdala ng bola. Pass to number 5. Number 5 pass to number 11. 15 seconds to shoot. 11. Steal by number 2. Foul by number 0. Second personal foul. First team foul by number 0. Number 26, pass to number 15. Number 15, pass to number 2. Number 2, pass to number 6. Napakaangas na follow-up na yun. Number 11. 50 seconds shoot, tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Tumira. Number 22. Wala. Rebound by number 11. Foul. Number 20. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution.
Ang bola.
Depensa ka, Levi. Hindi ka na depensa eh.
Number 11.
Tulala ka lang dyan.
Pass to number 16. Number 16. 15 seconds to shoot. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by number 73. Number 73. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Pumapa. Tumira. Watch it yan by number 6.
Nasab!
Number 24. 50 seconds to shoot. 24. Napakaangas yun. By number 24. Number 73. Pass to number 2. Traveling violation. By number 2. Substitution. Namatay po.
Sayang lang subscription natin.
Number 24, pass to number 11. Pass to number 24. Number 24, pass to number 11. Pass to number. Wala. Rebound by number 22. Pass to number 33. Pass to number 26. Basket by number 26. Number 24. 24 nagdala ng bola. 50 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 11. Wala. Rebound by number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 33. Number 33. Pass to number 22. Masyadong mataas. Number 24. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 27. Rebound by number 2. Wala. Rebound by 71. Wala. Nakuha ni number 27. Nakuha ni number 26. Pass to number 33. Number 33. Number 33. 33. Number 33. Pass to number 2. Tumira. Basket by number 2. Number 11. Pass to number 24. Number 24. 24. Number 24. Tinira. Basket by number 24. Number 2. Hinagi. Nakuha ni number 30. Wala na. Walang ba. Substitution po tayo. Serti. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 26. Number 26. Number 24. 24. Pass to number 9. Number 9. 50 seconds shoot. Wala. Rebound by 71. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 9. Basket.
Daming pa eh.
Number 70. 70. Pass number 73. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Now only 71. Now 71. Pass number 0. Pass number 9. Number 9. Number 9. Pass number 27. 27. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 9. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 9. Pass number 24. Tumira. Basket by number 24. Number 73. 73 pass to number 2. Number 2. 15 seconds shoot. Wala. Basket palayan. Number 24. 24. 24. Number 24. Tinira. Basket. Time out to the ball game.
Masyado lang si Evans ko din.
22, pass number 73, number 73, 73, pass number 2, number 2, number 2, number 2, 50 seconds shoot, masyadong nalakas yung kasa,
Gawa na yan.
number 24, 24, nagdadala ng bola, number 24, pass to number 9, number 9, pass to number 7, 15 seconds shoot, Tumira, 3 balls, one number 7, number 6, pass to number 73, number 73, 73, pass to number 6, Tumira, 3 balls, number 9, number 9, pass to number 24, 24, 15 seconds shoot, number 9, pass to number 0, 10 seconds shoot, wala, rebound by number 9, basket by number 9,
Tinatawag yung rebel.
last 55 seconds,
Kaya na namin sa
number
katawan.
73, last 50 seconds,
Umito ka ba?
number 73, pass to number 2, pass to number 73, 15 seconds shoot, number 73, number 1, number 24, pass to number 6, Tumira, wala, rebound by number 25, foul by number 6, last 32 seconds na lang po natitirang oras, 7 personal foul, 13 foul, number 24, pass to number 9, last 13 seconds, last 25 seconds, number 24, number 73, basket, last 15 seconds, last 10 seconds, last 5 seconds, 3 balls by number 27.
Abot yan? Pwede yan?
Be! Be!
Pwede, pwede.
Buo ng malagbag.
Love! Right,
Number
right.
15, pass to number 73. Number 73, pass to number 15.
Muti. Pwede yan.
Tumira, basket by number 15. Number 9, number 9. Pass to number 24, 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 10 seconds to shoot. Number 0. 5 seconds to shoot. Tinira, basket by number 9. Number 73, 73. Pass to number 2, pass to number 73, number 73, namin tawad.
Sayang si Kurt.
Negative pala.
Number 0, pass to number 24. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Number 9. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 20. Wala. Rebound to number 2. Pass to number 73. Number 73. Easy 2 point.
Maging pito.
Number 9. Pass to number 24. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 24. 24. 10 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. Something to shoot for tayo. Number 44. Pass to number 33. Pass to number 44. Pass to number 6. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 73. Basket yan. Number 7. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 24. 15 seconds to shoot. Tini na. Wala. Pass to number 9. Kinawit. Number 6. Wow. Foul by number 24. Third personal foul. 17 foul.
Okay lang yun. Pwede po. Hindi na pwede. Nangingot naman ang mga to. Alam mo na maaga yung laro.
Nakuha ni number 5. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Pass to number 9. 15 seconds to shoot. 27. Wala rebound by number 2.
Lalim lagi, no?
Pass to number 44. Number 44. 44 nagdadala ng bola. Number 44. Pass to number 7. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 6. Wala. Rebound by 44. Basket by number 44. Number 24 nagdadala ng bola. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Number 9. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 9. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to 27. Wala. Rebound by number 3. Namatay na naman po. Number 24. 24, pass to number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 9. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 16. Number 16, bumaba. Tinira. Basket.
Nice, Ivan.
Bobo.
Number 2. Pass to number 73. Number 73. 73. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 44. Tumira na 3. Wala. Rebound by number 27. Number 24. Number 24. 24 nagdadala ng bola. Number 24. Basket by number 24. Number 73. 73. 73. Pass to number 73. Pass to number 15. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 15. 15. Pass to number 44. Wow. 11 seconds to shoot. Number 15. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Pass to number 0. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Wow.
Lagi ang hingi.
Warning for graduation. Number 24. First team foul. Number 17. Wala. Rebound by number 9. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Pass to number 16. Number 16. 50 seconds shoot. Wala.
Pensa!
Number 70. Pass number 15. Number 15. Number 24. 24, pass number 9. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass number 0, pass number 24. Pass number 0. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass number 9. Basket.
Mamang naman kayo. Tama na.
Number 3. Pass number 2. Number 2. Pass number 17. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass number 2. Pass number 15. Number 15. 10 seconds to shoot. 34. Wala rin by number 16. Pass number 9. Number 9. Pass number 24. Number 24. 15 seconds to shoot. Basket. 173 na po ang game natin. Oras natin, 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 15, 50 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 6, Tumira. Easy 2 points. Number 24, di kala sa bola, pass number 9. Number 9, 50 seconds to shoot. Number 1 nila. Number 3 natin. Number 24. Number 0, Tumira. 3 points.
Nice cut!
Lamang na po naman sa water bowler. Number 17, pass number 2. 15 seconds to shoot, number 15. 15, number 15. Pinasa. 10 seconds to shoot, number 2. Tinira. By number 2. Number 24. Number 24. 24 na bola. Number 24. Pass number 9. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass number 24. Pass number 27. Wala na. Ayun na guys. Number 15. Pass number 70. Number 70. 15 seconds to shoot. 15. Number 15.
Sana hindi ka nakahakan mo.
Number 24. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 0. Back to the ball game. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 9. Pass to number 24. Number 24. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 24. Pass to number 7. One. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 15. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 17. Number 17. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 15. 5 seconds to shoot. 15.
Tumahimik ka. Ikaw na lang kaya sa loob yan. Nakaharang ka kasi.
Last 25 seconds na lang po ang ating pinamara. 10 personal foul, first team foul.